Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again in the gold market. So now gold market and euro currency shows approximately the same performance. So they have the similar setups. In particular speaking, this is ABCD retracement as on the daily chart of the euro, is on the daily chart of the gold. They shows approximately the same retracement on the intraday chart, same price behavior. So and today again we have approximately the same story. The gold compares to the euro. So yesterday we said that after the strong drop, the market has hit this intraday OP target with this ABC top D pattern, and we said, well, once upward retracement will be over, we're expecting to get market turning down again and showing downward continuation. Because yesterday we saw a significant drop, so you can see this really strong sell-off has happened on the market. It has solid momentum and market should continue downward action. Besides, this reversal here has more impact on the daily chart, just because take a look, that was breakout of this consolidation. First it was here, then again market wasn't able to challenge this area, which means that here we do not have attempt of the further upward continuation, but we have retracement and continuation of this drop. Otherwise it should be attempt to break through this resistance, but this hasn't happened. So market even hasn't taken any effort to challenge this top, which means that this two-leg retracement stands in place. So that's why, taking into consideration the strength of this drop, we suggest that probably some downward action here has good chance to happen. If you'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, but that was our OP minor pullback. Now market stands in a downward continuation here. Next target will be XOP. It stands 1456 approximately, which agrees with the previous low. So other words speaking, we expect and watching for a possible market return back to these lows. But first, it will be a significant support area. As you can see, this in general the strong support cluster around these lows, 1480 area. So market will have to break it first, because it was long-standing support area. This was here, support, breakout, resistance, support again. This will be support. Now again this will be support. Now market is coming here, but if market will break it down and pass through the OP lower, the next area will be around 1460. This will be here as a relatively free space. Market easily could reach these previous lows. So that's what we will keep an eye on. Our yesterday setup is done well, so take a look. The AB retracement that we have planned here yesterday is completed. Actually, it has changed the shape a bit, so you can see that this CD leg has started from this area. But mostly, market has hit the confluence precisely 1490, 1495. It was our set where market should stop upward action. Overall action was choppy. It's actually, we've got this cartilage steeple to self patch, and now market is turning down again. So if you have taken the short position, you could keep it and move stops to the break-even. Let's see what will happen next on the market. So if you have missed this opportunity, well, in this case you will have to wait for another retracement when it will be formed. Maybe you could try to jump in on some minor retracement on the lower time frames, on the 5-minute chart, on the 15-minute chart. But currently, in the current circumstances, I do not see yet the good setups for taking the long position. We don't have any good patterns. Overall sell-off here was very strong, and momentum is strong, and currently we do not see any good setup for taking the long position. That's what we have in the gold market.